Eat more protein. We hear it everywhere, right? You're over 40, you need more protein. But what does that even mean? Does it mean we're supposed to live on 10 chalky protein shakes a day? Or are we supposed to just eat like 20 of these? Hitting 100 grams of protein sounds impossible? It sounds like a full-time job. It sounds like a bodybuilder's diet. What if I told you it's not? What if I told you that hitting 100 plus grams of protein can be easy, delicious, and the single most important key to unlocking weight loss after 40? Welcome to True Lose Zone, the channel where we are done with deprivation and done with advice that doesn't work for our real lives. Today I am pulling back the curtain. I'm going to show you exactly what I eat in a day, a normal day, to easily hit over 100 grams of protein. No chicken and broccoli prison, no weird shakes, just real food. And when you see how I do it, you're going to have a light bulb moment. So stick around. Okay, first, why 100 grams? Why is this our magic number? It's not just a random number. For women over 40, it's about fighting back against the three things working against us. Number 1, it fights muscle loss. After 35, we start to lose muscle mass. Muscle is our metabolic engine. It's what burns calories 24/7. Protein is the only nutrient that builds and repairs that muscle. More muscle, hotter metabolism. Period. Number 2, it kills cravings. Protein is the VIP bouncer for your hunger hormones. It's the most satiating nutrient. When you eat a protein-rich meal, you stay full for hours. You're not on that blood sugar roller coaster, and you're not hunting for a snack 45 minutes later. Number 3, it has a thermic effect. This is so cool. Your body actually burns 20–30% of the calories from protein just by digesting it. It's like a free metabolic boost every time you eat. So 100 grams isn't about bulking up. It's about sending your body a signal of strength and satiety. All right, let's get to the food. My first rule, front load your protein. I aim for 30 grams at my first meal. This sets my entire day up for success and kills cravings before they start. This is my 30-gram power bowl. It looks like a treat, right? We start with 1 cup of plain Greek yogurt, not the fruity, sugary kind. Plain. Now, the secret weapon, 1 scoop of unflavored collagen peptides. I stir it right in. You can't taste it, and it's pure protein. It's also amazing for your skin and joints. I top it with a handful of berries for fiber and 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. And that's it. Let's do the math. 18 plus 10 plus 3. 31 grams of protein. It took me 3 minutes. I'm full, I'm satisfied, and my blood sugar is rock solid. We are already almost a third of the way there, and it's only 9 a.m. See? Easy. Okay, it's lunchtime, and we are not eating a sad, wimpy little side salad. We are eating a meal-sized power salad. The mistake most people make with salads is they're all fluff, just lettuce. The real hero of the salad has to be the protein. My secret here is batch prepping. On Sunday, I bake a few chicken breasts. That's it. So, I start with a huge bed of greens and veggies, all the color. Then I add my protein. 5 to 6 ounces of that pre-cooked chicken, chopped up. I'll add some healthy fat like avocado or olive oil dressing, and for a little extra crunch and protein, a sprinkle of pumpkin seeds, pepitas. Let's add it up. That's a 40-gram protein powerhouse of a lunch. We've had 2 meals and we're already at 74 grams. Do you feel deprived? I don't. I'm eating delicious food. Okay, quick pause. Is this making sense? Are the light bulbs going off? If you are loving this real food, real results approach, then you are in the right place. This is exactly what we do here on True Lose Zone. We cut through the noise and give you practical, sustainable advice that actually works for women over 40. If that's what you've been looking for, do me a huge favor and hit that subscribe button right now. Join the family. We are all on this journey together. All right, now, what about that 3 p.m. slump? This is the danger zone. This is where we crave sugar and salt. This is where we're tempted to grab the chips or the cookies. Why? Because we're not hungry. We're just underfueled. We need a protein-based bridge to get us to dinner. My secret? Cottage cheese. I know. But trust me, this one little cup of cottage cheese, it's a complete protein, it's filling, and it's so versatile. I make it savory. I add a little everything bagel seasoning. It is so good. It's like a high-protein dip. No prep, just open and eat. 20 plus grams of protein. This snack alone has more protein than most people's entire breakfast. 96 grams. We are so close. Let's head to dinner. Dinner is not a diet meal. This is what I eat with my family. The rule is simple. Anchor your plate with protein. The protein is the star, and the veggies and carbs are the backup singers. Tonight, we've got a beautiful 5-ounce piece of salmon. I roasted it with a ton of broccoli and bell peppers. And yes, I eat carbs. I have a small sweet potato for energy and fiber. This meal is perfectly balanced. It's got the protein anchor, healthy fats from the salmon, and fiber from the veggies. It's satisfying, and it's not a diet. It's just food. Okay, let's get the calculator. $126 grams. And did it look hard? Did I look deprived? Was I choking down chalky powder all day? No. I ate a yogurt bowl, a giant chicken salad, some cottage cheese, and a delicious salmon dinner. That is the secret. You don't need to live on protein bars. You just need to make protein the anchor of every single meal and snack. It's a simple shift in focus. You just ask, where's the protein? You can absolutely do this. This is the key to firing up your metabolism and feeling full and in control. If this video helped you, please hit that like button. It helps so much. And if you haven't already, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and join the True Lose Zone. Oh, and one last thing. I know starting out can be the hardest part. So, to give you a head start, I've put together some free help for you, right in the description below. I've created a free downloadable cheat sheet called My Top 10 Lazy Protein Hacks. It's got my favorite high-protein swaps and snack ideas that take zero effort. That link is right in the description, just for you, as a thank you for being part of the True Lose Zone family. Thanks so much for watching. You've got this. I'll see you in the next video. Subscribe for more.